how to update NGL app to the latest version. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. To update the NGL app, head over to your app store first. Go to the search option in the bottom right corner and then search for NGL. Now, here look for the update option. So if there is no update option available, then that means your NGL app is already updated to the latest version. But still, if you have any doubts, then what you can do is come back and then head over to settings. Now go to general and then tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and then search for the NGL app. So once you find it, just tap on the NGL app and then tap on offload app. Now offloading NGL will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So you can offload the app and then once you have offloaded the app, you can reinstall the app again. So if you reinstall it again, it will automatically be updated to the latest version. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.